Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to make these delicious garlic butter clams. Now let's begin. So for this, first you'll need 250 grams of clams. It's depending on you of how much do you want. 7 to 8 pieces of garlic, parsley and lemon slices for garnishing only. You can use it according to how much you want. Then 1 teaspoon chili flakes and 2 tablespoons of pure ghee, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. And we'll also be needing 1 teaspoon of salt. Let's begin. First, I will be grinding or crushing the garlics. You can even chop them into very small pieces, but I think crushing is the best option to do. Okay, now it's a paste. Now I will be putting this in the pan. First I put some butter, then I am putting garlic, and now I'm gonna add the clams, and I'll be mixing until the garlic turns golden brown in color. I really love the smell. It's amazing. And then I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of chili flakes and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now we must give it a good mix. And then we have to add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And then I'm gonna give it a good mix until all the ingredients get mixed in perfectly together. Then I will be adding 1 cup of water. I'll be giving it a good stir. And once all the ingredients seem to be getting mixed in the water nicely, cover the pan with the lid and keep it like that until the water boils for 10 minutes on medium flame. Now it's done. I have kept it for 10 minutes. Now I'll just be giving a good stir. You have noticed that the water levels dropped. Yes, you can see that the water level is less now. They have evaporated. But now all the ingredients are mixed perfectly, and it will give a juicy and fantastic taste to the clams. Now I'll just be adding the lemon and parsley for the garnish. This is fantastic. It's gonna be extremely tasty, wonderful, and delicious. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your meal.